This video shows you how to work with spaces in Qlik Cloud Analytics Hub. Spaces are sections of the Qlik Cloud Analytics Hub used to both collaboratively develop apps and control access to apps. In Qlik Cloud, you have three spaces types: personal space, shared spaces, and managed spaces. Your personal space is your own private work area. Users with the Private Analytics Content Creator role can create analytics content in personal spaces. You cannot share apps from your personal space, and other users cannot collaborate with you. To create a shared space, click Add New and select Create Space. Shared spaces are used to develop apps collaboratively and share them with other users in the space. Shared spaces can be created by tenant and analytics administrators and users with shared space creator role. A team might have a shared space for the private development and consumption of their own apps. In a shared space, you can create new apps or upload apps directly in a shared space. You can also move apps from your personal space to a shared space so that other members can work on them. You can invite members to a space to collaborate with them. If your tenant administrator has enabled groups, you can add groups of members to your space. You can assign permissions to them to define what members can do in the shared space. Members can be added to the space by the space owner or members with the Can Manage role. You can also add all users as members to a space to easily share content with everyone in the tenant. You can share apps in a shared space with non-space members. In a shared space, you can only assign the role Can View. In the space details under Members, you can see that the user with whom you have shared the app only has access on the app level and only has the role Can View assigned. Here you can also add and remove users or change the user role. Clicking on the Details tab, you can see space details. Under Notifications, you can enable notifications for spaces, apps, notes, and AutoML. Under Data Sources, you can add data files and data connections directly to spaces. To create a managed space, click Add New and select Create Space. Managed spaces are used for providing governed access to apps with strict access control, both for the app and for the app data. When you add a member to a space, you assign them a space role. The role is a set of permissions that they have on that space and objects contained inside the space. Members can be added to the space by the tenant administrator, analytics administrator, or members with the Can Manage role. You can also add all users as members to a space to easily share content with everyone in the tenant. Or you can select some permissions to assign to anyone in the tenant. In this case, we give Can Publish permissions to all the members of the tenant, so anyone can publish apps to this space. Apps can be published to a managed space from personal spaces and shared spaces. Members need the Can Publish permission in the managed space to publish. Publishing creates a copy of the app in the managed space. Apps in the spaces can be opened by space members with Owner, Can Manage, Can Contribute, or Can View space role. You can also share the app with non-space members, and you can assign Can View or Can Contribute permissions to them. As for the shared space, in Space Details, you can rename the space, see the space details, enable notifications, add, remove users, or change the user role, and delete spaces. And that concludes this video. Thanks for watching.